Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be organizing another week in my planner, and this week we're going to be using the Going Places sticker book from Happy Planner. This is a very old sticker book, but I said it in a previous video that I am really trying to get through all of the stickers that I currently have in my stock before I purchase any new stickers. So this is the one we're going to be using today, and I am going to be turning to the weekly section in my Tom 90 planner. If you've never seen my Tom 90 planner, it is the one book that I use to organize my entire life. I have multiple sections in this book around my work, my church, my personal life, my social media, my money, and my week as a whole. So we will be looking at next week in my hourly planner in order to organize and get everything ready for next week. So this will be the last week of April, and we are going to be looking at the 22nd through the 28th. So the first thing that I'm going to do is fill in my dates, and then we're going to add in all of my appointments and my sidebar. So let's figure out what stickers I want to use this week. I know I want to use some of these ladies, so that's what we're going to do. Maybe I should put her at the bottom. So she's over the line a little bit, so I'm gonna have to cut. So I usually get the question of why do I add my social media content to my sidebar if I have a social media planner? And this is so that I don't have to flip to my social media planner in order to see what I have coming up this week. It is a quick reference that I will use to see everything that I'm planning on doing, and then I can flip to my social media planner for more details. Okay, so I've added everything to my sidebar, what I want to post for my short form content and my long form content. I also added an asterisk because I'm not exactly sure if I am going to post this video or do the getting 1 month ahead. I actually might do organizing for an event or a birthday party. I think I might do that for a live on Tuesday and save this one for next week. But I will make a decision as it gets a little bit closer to the date. And now we are going to add in all of the details of all of the things that I have to do this week. I'm going to be flipping back and forth looking at my monthly calendar to see what I had on my schedule for this week, and then adding it in with my colorful boxes. I like to use colorful boxes in order to highlight the main things that I have coming up this week. So we are going to use these to basically mark off everything that I have going on this week. So now that I have started doing one-on-one appointments again, I do have a lot more appointments throughout my week than I would have had in the past couple of months. So I'm going to add in all of those appointments, the YouTube live that I am planning on doing, Bible study that we have, and we also have different meetings for church. So I need to add those in as well. So this takes up a lot more of my time, which means I need to be a little bit more strategic about when I am going to film and process orders. I also, at the end of the week, I have a dentist appointment, and I am going to be a chaperone for my daughter's field trip. So I'm going to be using these pencil stickers in order to write that in and finish out all of the additional events that I have coming coming up this week. And then we are going to add in all of my time blocks. So this is why I like to add in meetings first, because the meetings let me know how much time I have left throughout the week for the additional things that I would like to get done. Okay, so I have added in all of my main events that are coming up this week. And now I'm going to go in and add in all of my time blocks, the different things that I need to do throughout this week. Oh, I forgot to add my class. What class are we teaching this week? So I was gonna do book club, but I am going to change that. We'll probably do book club next week or week after. And so I'm just going to add in the fact that we have class and adjust what it's going to be this week. Now we are ready for all of my time blocks. So I'm adding in all of my morning routines and also my tasks at the very top. The tasks that I am adding in are all of the things that I need to do at least once per week on certain days. So things like completing my weekly budget, sending out emails for Organize You and my weekly newsletter, and all of the tasks that I need to do for church. I also want to post on the weekday mornings, so I am going to add that in here just so I can remember. So add in some filming. Okay, so this is basically it for this week. Let's add in a few more stickers. I like this girl here. And we are going to add a little relax sticker here, because this is the time where I am usually resting. So this is it for this week. It is pretty much already done. I do have to do some additional work in my personal section and my work section for this upcoming week, because for my personal section, my daughter's birthday is coming up. And so I am going to start to work on the different things that I need to do for her birthday party. And then for my work section, I do have some projects that are coming up as well. So I am going to write that in. I also am going to add in my workouts at the very bottom here. And this will be it for this week. So if you have any questions about my Tom 90 system or how I do this setup, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.